Hey there everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Sophie Ella. It's that wonderful time of year again, and today we're diving into a heartwarming journey with Sophie Ella and her furry sidekick Barney. They've stumbled upon a tale that's sure to fill your hearts with holiday cheer, the magical Christmas star. So, grab your favourite snacks, get cozy, and prepare to be enchanted by this festive adventure. In the twinkling village of Merryvale, Sophie Ella and her playful dog Barney were tangled in a cheerful mess of Christmas decorations. "Barney, you're supposed to be helping, not auditioning to be a Christmas tree." Sophie Ella laughed as Barney wagged his tail, adorned with garlands and lights. As they finished decorating, Sophie Ella noticed a star outside, twinkling as if it were winking at her. "Look, Barney, that star seems to be playing peekaboo with us." Max and Obi, the wise owls who knew almost everything, shared the story of the magical Christmas star. "This star appears every year to remind us of the birth of Jesus and to share the joy of Christmas around the world," Max explained. "Let's follow it. Maybe it knows where Santa gets his cookies." Barney barked, his thoughts often led by his stomach. First stop, a German discovery. Their first stop was a bustling Christmas market in Germany. Barney, mistaking a nutcracker for a real person, offered it a bone. "I guess he's not hungry," Barney wondered. Here, they learned about Advent, the period of expectant waiting and preparation for celebrating Jesus' birth. "It's a countdown to remember what Christmas is really about," Sophie Ella realized. Next stop, Mexico for a Christmas celebration. In Mexico, during Las Posadas, they celebrated Mary and Joseph's journey to Bethlehem. "It's like a moving storybook," Sophie Ella exclaimed, as Barney tried to join a group of carol singers. Trying his paw at a piñata, Barney was hoping for dog treats but found candies instead. "I guess it's not a piñata for dogs," he sighed comically. Surf's up, next stop, Australia. "A beach party for Jesus' birthday? Cool," Sophie Ella marvelled, making a sand angel. Barney, attempting to surf, ended up teaching a group of kangaroos how to doggy paddle. "I'm a surfing sensation," he boasted. The star's true meaning. As the star began to fade, Sophie Ella understood its purpose. Was to spread the true meaning of Christmas, the celebration of Jesus' birth, and the universal message of love and joy. Home in Merryvale with a newfound understanding. Back in Merryvale, they shared their journey, intertwining the global traditions with the story of Jesus' birth. The village Christmas celebration transformed into a tapestry of customs from around the world, all centered around the true meaning of Christmas. As they looked up at the brightly shining Christmas star, Barney murmured, "I think it's a blessing we remembered the real reason for the season." Sophie Ella smiled. "Yes, Barney, the star guided us to the heart of Christmas." Stay tuned for our next adventure, Heaven's Hotline, where the mysteries of the universe are just a call away. Prepare to be captivated as Sophie Ella and Barney dive deep into an extraordinary discovery that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Get ready for a journey like no other as we unlock the secrets of Heaven's Hotline. Don't miss it. And hey, if you loved our adventure with the magical Christmas star, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories with Sophie Ella and her trusty sidekick, Barney. Merry Christmas, everyone. Now, let's have a dance. If you know the words, sing along.
Sophie Ella and Barney, the best of friends. Oh yeah, they're always up for an adventure and everyone too. They dance around the room with a smile on their face. contagious, you can't help but embrace. Ooh, yeah. Come on, everybody, let's dance and play. Drink Sophie Ella and Barney at their house party today. House party today. The groove to the beat, the rhythm in our feet. It's a house music party where every day is raindrops falling like a symphony. I'm dancing through the colors, feeling fancy. The stormy skies can't bring me down. I'm spun around, yeah, I rule this town. Come on, everybody, let's dance and play. Oh yeah, dance Sophie.